Hello leaders, welcome back. My name is Jeremy. Today I want to explain you how marketing xCore works. Let's straight to the content. Okay, how looks like xCore program working? We have two lines here. In the first line, we have 3 places. In the second line, we have 9 places. So I'm gonna to fill all these places. So I'm start to working, yeah? I invite my direct partner to buy xCore program same like me. I put it in here. And in the same time, I get 50% from him directly to my wallet. And my upline also get 50% directly to his wallet. And again, I'm starting to working. I fill this place. And I get immediately 50%. And my upline 50%, yeah? And after that, again, I invite my direct partner. I get 50% and my upline 50%. That's all. This is in the first line, yeah? Okay, we understand now how working in the first line, yeah? Money come to you and come to your upline. And we start to forget our upline because we wanna talk about second line, yeah? Let's money put in your wallet. How working second line? I invite my new partner and he taking places in here, yeah? And again, I invite another partner and he taking places in here. And again, I'm inviting another partner, my partner, and taking place in here, yeah? In the second line. After that, I have already filled the second line is my partner in the second line. So I will talk about reward. Who will get reward? Me, when I put this my partner under my partner because it's feel like overflow from above. So he get 50% and I get 50%. And also on here, yeah, he get my overflow from above. So he get 50% and me get 50%. And also in here, he get 50% and me also get 50%. And my partner starting to working again. And my partner start working. Example, this my partner start to working and fill it in here under him. So who will get reward? He will get 50% and I will get 50%. So my another partner start to working again, and this is my another partner start working and fill it in here. So this became my overflow from below to me, and I get 50%. And who is invite him? He is get 50% also. Same as well like that, and put it again. I get 50%. He get 50% and put in again, I get 50%, he get 50%. And we left 2 places, yeah? And the last places, 2 places in the second line, this for recycle. Maybe it's for me or for my partner or any, it put it in here, and in here, its money will comes to upline. 50% to upline, 50% to upline, and go on. After you fill all places and you get recycle and you have free places again to go on working. Unstoppable and forever. And by the way, for total of this, you get 500% from price the level. Okay, now I will tell you about price and level. Let's go. Program xCore have 12 level, from 1 until 12. And all level, it's same works like I explained you before. From the 1 level, we using BNB. Price in BNB, first level, is about $5. And in the 12 level, it's about $200 for now, and altogether level is price $700. Now we're talking about frozen, overtaking, and give. Now how it's work, yeah? First, frozen. Example, you have 1 level, 2 level, and 3 level, yeah? You can working in the first level is forever because you have backup. So you can working also in the 2 level forever because you have backup level 3. But in the level 3, you only can working one time, 500%, but one time. Why? Because you need to buy next level for making backup this. If not upgrading, you will get frozen. So I say you, level 3, one time working. In one time working, you get 500%. Only one time, not forever like level 1, level 2. So you need to buy next level for not get frozen. For your downline, for your structure. And also one example, you have 4 level, yeah? You get 500% already one time. So your structure still working, your level is still working, but money when your structure by level 4 in xQore, money not come to you, money come to a plan. I say you before, one time recycle 500%, you need to buy next, or you need to upgrade your next level opportunity for not go to your upline again, and forever for upline if you not upgrade it. Yeah? Now we're talking about overtaking, yeah? How it looks like overtaking. For example, you have 4 level in xQore and your downline or your structure have 4 level also, yeah? And for not being overtaking, you must be by 5 level. Because we never know if your downline by level 5 without you know, it will be overtaking in this, for this level, yeah, for next level. So what you need to do, yes, you can take it back when you buy the next level more up than your downline. It's working about overtaking. Now about give. So when you have 4 level and your downline only have 2 level, in every recycle on your downline in level 2, you get. But your downline will lose this level. Same like I tell you, your downline is get frozen. So your downline need buy level next for not give a gift to you. You can explain it into your downline so your downline can be understand it. Okay, leader, thank you so much for watching. Okay, don't forget for like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, if you have any question, anything you can comment down below, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.